In 1539, along with his two close friends, Ignatius formed the Society of Jesus, now known as the Jesuits, which was approved by Pope Paul III in 1540. Ignatius sent those in his order on missions across Europe to create schools, colleges, and seminaries. He wrote in a letter to Francis Xavier a Latin phrase, "Et inflammit omnia," meaning, "Go set the world on fire."
Greetings to one and all. Ignatian leadership inspired by St. Ignatius of Loyola embodies humility, courage, and the ability to inspire and empower others. Humility in leadership goes beyond personal glory. It is all about valuing and serving others, as St. Ignatius did after his life-altering incident. Courage means to stand up for what is right and what is just, as he did in his relentless spiritual and educational pursuits. St. Ignatius was also adept at recognizing and nurturing the potential in individuals, inspiring and empowering them to grow and create greater opportunities. So on this feast of St. Ignatius of Loyola, let's embrace these qualities of Ignatian leadership, fostering respect and excellence among us. Happy feast!